Golden, crunchy, juicy, and loaded with that unmistakable KFC flavor. Crispy tenders are a fan favorite around the world, but behind every bite is a mind-blowing industrial process, combining cutting-edge machinery, precise food science, and strict quality control. Today on Built by Machines, we're taking you inside the high-tech world of chicken processing to reveal how KFC's crispy tenders are mass-produced at an industrial scale. It all begins with raw chicken breast meat, specifically, the tenderloin section. These are delivered daily to large processing facilities from contracted poultry farms. Once they arrive, every batch is inspected under strict sanitary and quality protocols. Chicken must be kept between 0 degrees and 4 degrees Celsius to ensure freshness and inhibit bacterial growth. Next, the chicken enters the trimming and cutting phase. Here, high-speed cutting machines slice each breast into standardized tender strips, ensuring even cooking and consistent portion sizes. Now it's time to lock in flavor. The cut tenders are loaded into massive tumblers and injected with a signature marinade blend, a guarded recipe known only to a few. This step not only enhances flavor but helps tenderize the meat for that signature juicy bite. This is where the magic happens. Each tender takes a ride through a batter waterfall, coating it in a wet mix that acts as the glue for the iconic breading. From there, it's dropped into a breading machine, where it's tossed in seasoned flour for that signature rough texture. Craggy texture equals more surface area, which means maximum crispiness. To partially cook and crisp the breading, tenders are flash-fried in industrial fryers filled with high-temperature oil. This step seals in the juices and locks down that crisp exterior, while keeping the interior tender and undercooked for final frying at the store. After frying, the tenders are rapidly cooled to stop cooking immediately. Then they travel through a spiral blast freezer, dropping their temperature to -18 degrees Celsius in just minutes, before being packed. After being carefully frozen and packaged, the crispy tenders are loaded onto refrigerated trucks and shipped to KFC restaurants all around the world. These trucks maintain a consistent temperature of -18 degrees Celsius, ensuring the tenders remain frozen and safe during transport. By the time the tenders reach a KFC outlet, they're ready to be fried fresh on demand, giving every customer that hot, crispy experience, no matter where they are. At each KFC restaurant, the frozen tenders are stored in freezers until it's time to prepare them. When an order comes in, staff load the tenders into deep fryers that bring them to a golden, crunchy finish. The final cooking step takes only a few minutes, but it's where the magic is completed, sealing in the juicy interior with a crisp outer layer. Once they reach KFC outlets, tenders are fried fresh to order. Staff load the frozen tenders into restaurant-grade fryers and cook them to crispy, golden perfection. At last, the tenders are served, hot, crispy, and full of flavor. Whether they're paired with fries, coleslaw, or dipped in your favorite sauce, this final step is what brings the entire process full circle. From farm to fryer, it's a journey powered by technology, perfected by process, and finished by flavor. That's how KFC crispy tenders are made, built by machines, cooked for people. Enjoyed the crunch? Smash that like button, subscribe to Built by Machines, and tell us in the comments what factory food process we should explore.